There's a slogan in real estate that says, ask for where people are rushing to and make sure you get there before anyone does. My name is Mosurayo, lead consultant for Mainke Global Properties. You're welcome back to my channel. Now, few of you must have seen my previous video about Adunni Estate in Ibadan. Now, let me reintroduce you to Adunni Classic Estate, the new home of class, comfort, and unlimited possibilities. Imagine owning a piece of prime land in one of the fastest growing locations in Ibadan, where development meets opportunity. Right now, Adunni Classic Estate is offering you the chance to secure your future with over 250 acres of well-planned, high-value land. Yes, we have acres of land in Adunni Estate in case you are a developer and willing to start developing your own estate. So please reach out to us. With just 4 million naira, you can own 500 square meters of this prestigious land, or choose 300 square meters for only 2.4 million naira. And here is the good news. With an initial deposit of 300,000 naira, you can key into this golden opportunity and enjoy instant allocation. This estate is strategically located just a few minutes from the Ido train station, the Ibadan train station, the University of Ibadan, and the popular Polytechnic of Ibadan. This is not just a place to live, but an investment that will appreciate rapidly in value. Don't forget, this is the new price, fresh from the pre-launch price. The value is already rising, and it won't stay this affordable for long. So now is the time to hurry, make your deposit, and secure your plot before the price changes again. At Adunni Classic Estate, you are not just buying a land, you are securing a lifestyle, a future, and a legacy. Take the step today, because tomorrow the price may be higher. Adunni Classic Estate is where dreams find their home. So wait no longer, give us a call today or the number showing on your screen.